Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle, a binary puzzle, in the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, October the 29th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. So two puzzles are left. The jigsaw Sudoku, and this one you are interested. It's the binary puzzle number 9501. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 17 printed digits. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8. Binary puzzle, that means that in a row or in a column there are always 5 O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, 4 O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. So let's get started. Double ones. Here no, there no. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Double O's. Here one, there one. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Double O's. Here one, there one. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Double O's. Here one, there one. Double ones. Here no, there no. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Between the ones comes in one. Between the O's comes in one. Between the O's comes in one. Between two O's comes in one. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Double O's, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Double O's, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in one. Between two O's comes in one. Between two O's comes in one. Between two ones comes in O. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. And between the ones comes an O. Finish in 2 minutes. Yes. That's a quick one to solve. 2 minutes. And we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. If you think so, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the fourth and last puzzle for today. The jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.